Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about those teeny tiny things that women do that men don't find funny, that annoy men, that women take for granted but men are dissatisfied about them. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Chariba. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number one is farting. Many people as they grow into marriage start take farting for granted. You fart when you're both covered in the same blanket. You fart when you are eating. You fart when you are watching a movie. You fart, and you take it for granted. This thing annoys the men. That is why, back in history, our grandmothers were prohibited from farting for their husbands. Farting is normal, but excuse yourself. Because the more and more you fart for this guy and the things smell for him, he starts to get disgusted. Those are some of the things that are killing the intimacy and the passion in your marriage. Yes, farting is normal. Control the levels, control the time, try to excuse yourself before you fart. Not appreciating. Ladies, do you appreciate your man? Do you appreciate him for the tiny things he does, the small things he does, or you only waiting for the big ones? Because if you appreciate the small ones, it will give him energy, the zeal and the determination to make the big ones happen. So every time you don't appreciate him, he gives you 10,000 shillings, you say thanks. He gives you 20,000, you say thank you. He gives you 50,000, you say thank you very much. He gives you 500,000, you cry and dance and roll around and in bed you make all the 180s and all the styles. Does it mean you didn't appreciate the 5,000? Sometimes you don't even say anything because you think it's his duty to provide food. So when he buys food or something, you don't even appreciate or thank him. Ladies, taking it for granted that he has to do for you the things he does and you don't appreciate him puts them off. It annoys them and angers them, and it kills their attraction for you. Number 3, nagging. All the time nagging, complaining about everything and everything. It's not funny to guys, they hate it. Number 4, comparing him with other men in terms of wealth. You're comparing him, you want to show him that the other people bought a car. You want to show him that the other man has a bigger house, has a greater job, has a big business, and his is trash, his is nothing. He should change, he should do what the others are doing. It's not funny to them, they don't like it. Slowly but surely, their attraction for you fades. The guy gives you money to buy something special, something nice with high standard. Then you buy a substandard item because you want to keep a difference of the money. This guy will see it, this guy will recognize it, and immediately he will get annoyed and he will not see you the same way he has been seeing you from the time you do that. Number 5, have you gone out on a date? A waiter comes or waitress, you order what you want, he orders what he wants. Then you go ahead to eat your food and finish it and start eating his. Do you think he doesn't want his food? Have you asked? Has he told you that he's tired of the food and you can have it? Didn't you have your own share? As if that is not enough, some of you even go ahead to order a meal different from his or same as his, and before you even finish your food, you dip your fork into his food and start eating it. You're like, let me have a piece of this sausage, let me have a piece of that. Why didn't you order what he ordered if you wanted it so bad? They don't find it funny. They find it very annoying and they don't like it. Stop eating their food when you have yours. Next, number 6. Asking for transport every time he asks to meet you somewhere or you ask to meet him somewhere. Must you ask for transport every time? It is old-fashioned, it's annoying and they don't like it. You get it? It puts you down. It makes you cheap as a woman. So find other ways of getting money, of working, other than begging all the time. Number 7, not picking calls all the time and not even taking the courtesy to call back or text back. It's not funny to them, it's very annoying to them, they don't like it. Number 8, not taking responsibilities for your actions, ladies. You intentionally or unintentionally annoy a guy, do something annoying, then instead of apologizing, you laugh it off and ask whether that small thing can annoy him. It's not funny to them, it's actually more annoying. Learn to take responsibility for your actions when you do something small or big. As long as it's annoying, apologize. Number 9, insisting on some type of sexual styles when you physically can't handle. For example, woman on top, when your boobs are very extra large and you can't hold yourself up there, you have to bend and you end up suffocating the guy. He is always trying to push them away in order to breathe, and you're trying your best to push them on his face. This guy is suffocating. Don't think that by pushing them he's touching them or he's enjoying. Try to understand. Know yourself better. Know how you are better physically and know what will work for your relationship and what won't work. Number 10, ladies, never tell a man that he's not good in bed. Whether you are annoyed, whatever it is, find better ways of handling his weaknesses in bed. That's why we counselors are there. You can book your counseling appointment at noraarake.com/booking. You can send me an email. I will guide you on what to do, how to handle, how to say it, depending on your particular guy. Once a man's ego is broken, you're finished. I'm telling you. Their ego is broken on matters of money and their sexuality. So, find better ways of handling your man's sexual problem. But once you tell him you are weak in bed, you are not a man enough in bed, it is not funny at all, and they don't take it for granted. Number 11, having another guy friend, hanging out with him all the time, and telling your main guy that he's just a friend. It's not funny. You may think it's funny, you may think he has to understand it. He won't understand it. Whether he will play it cool or whether he will act dumb, he won't understand it. Number 12, ladies, we have mood swings. Yes, our mood swings make us do certain things. Like, you want to eat, you say you're hungry, guy asks what do you want to eat, and you're like, I don't know. And when he asks you, do you want this, you say no. When he gets it from himself and that's what you want. I know we have mood swings, but we have to learn our mood swings and we have to learn to control them. They are our mood swings. They are just mood swings. They can't control us. We have to be aware, be self-aware, and we know how to control our mood swings. Because to them, it's not funny, it's just annoying. Number 13, ladies, Never insist on kissing a guy in the morning before brushing your teeth. And sometimes it's not just brushing. Sometimes it's not just kissing. All those noises you make in the morning, oh, ah, shouting for the guy, yet you've not brushed. You're spoiling the air, the space, with bad odor coming from your mouth when you didn't brush. Ladies, body odor is very important. Imagine this, it's early morning. That bad smell coming from your mouth is very disgusting. It is going to stay in his memory for the whole day. Brush before you sleep, ladies. Make sure before you go to bed every evening, you brush. Make sure you maintain body hygiene so that you don't stink for your man in the morning when you are asking for morning glory. Number 14, ladies, when a guy gives you money to go and buy something, bring back the change. Give him back his change. Only take the change if he tells you to, if he gives it to you. If he doesn't, stop shaming yourselves. You take his change pretending that it is small money. If it is small money, why are you taking it? This guy has given you money to buy something. Bring back the change. It is not your money, it's his money. Those things are very annoying and they are very shaming. Number 15 and very important, bathroom hygiene and etiquette. Ladies, don't be disorganized. Don't be shabby. You are annoying these guys. You go to his place when you are pressing toothpaste. You press it in the middle. Sometimes you don't put back the cover. You don't put down the toilet cover. You leave hair in the sink, in the bathtub, in the combs. You don't put the soap back in the soap dish. You leave the bathroom dirty. You don't brush it, you don't scrub it, you don't leave it as clean as you found it. You leave the combs and what have you and the brushes disorganized. You leave the towel, you don't fold the towel properly. You leave them wherever you find. You find the cabins closed. You leave them open. It's called bathroom etiquette, ladies. Stop shaming yourself and stop annoying your guys. These things put you down. Learn them. You use the toilet and some poo sticks on the toilet. Clean it. Flush. Even if you've just peed, flush. Don't leave the toilet smelling for whatever reasons. Bathroom etiquette is very important. That when a guy looks at you, when you've left hairs in the bathroom, you've left something dirty in the bathroom, something disgusting in the bathroom, your attraction for you goes down from 99 to 5%. Let's be careful with bathroom etiquette. It annoys guys. Seriously. Number 16. Picking money from the guy's wallet or pockets and not informing him. First of all, it's better to ask first before you take the guy's money. And if for some unavoidable circumstances you pick it, tell him, because trust me, most of these guys know when you pick money from their pockets. And the more you keep doing it, the more he becomes stingy, the more he learns ways of hiding his money from you, because he now considers you as a thief. It's very annoying to take money from your man's pockets without informing him or asking him. Number 17, flirting. Ladies, stop flirting around with other guys when you have your man. Some of you have taken it to another level. When you are renting somewhere, you flirt with the landlord's sons. You flirt with your colleagues at work. You flirt with your fellow students at school. You are always flirting with your friends who are guys. You flirt with everyone. To guys, it's not funny. They don't like it. Stop it. It's annoying. Ladies, know your bedroom etiquette. It's very important. Do not allow your friends to access the man's bedroom anytime they feel like. The man comes back and your friends are sleeping all over the bed. They come in the bedroom the way they please. They use the bedroom toilet and bathroom. They use the mirror. They dress up from the bedroom where your man is. It doesn't work like that. It's very annoying. Learn bedroom etiquette. Take care of your bedroom. Take care of your bed. Clean. Lay your bed. Change your sheets. Change the mosquito net. Wash it. Who told you that the mosquito net must be on the bed for 2 years without being washed? For a year, 6 months without being washed? Seriously, ladies, that dirtiness is for World Cup. Next, ladies, when a guy wants to spend on you, let him. When he has thought of spending on you, he has made his money, he has come to spend on you, spoil you, take you out, buy for you this and that, let him do it. This business of saying, no, don't do this. Every time he wants to spend on you, you're preaching to him about saving, you're preaching to him about going to the next level. He gets annoyed. He will start feeling maybe someone else is spending on you. Why don't you want him to spend on you? He knows what he is doing. At least he is not spoiling the money with drinking and doing dubious things and living a bad lifestyle. He is spending it on you, investing in his relationship. Spare him the savings talk. This is not the time to talk about saving. Talk about saving when you are in the bedroom, when you are having an investment chat in your home. Not at the time when he has come to spend on you, to buy you something, to treat you with something nice. It's annoying. Number 20. Some ladies use harsh ways to put across a message. Sit down with your man, talk about something, but instead you spend days and months singing local songs just to put across a message, abusing him, showing him that he's stupid, he's not a man enough because he did something. Do not use those ways, those tactics and tricks to put across a message. Just communicate. This guy knows that you are singing your native language songs, trying to abuse him, trying to attack him. Look, where this guy goes, those women who are after him are singing seductive, nice, alluring songs. But when he comes to you, you're singing those harsh songs, using tricks to put across a message, using the kids to put across a message that he's a no good man. It's annoying. Please stop it.